Okay, what if you threw a bunch of random images into an AI tool and it came back with one single perfectly composed image using all of them? A fashion look assembled from individual clothing pieces. A room redesigned using your actual furniture references. That's just one of 3 things I'm showing you today inside Veer 2. Stay till the end, that third feature will genuinely surprise you. So I've dropped the Veer link in the description. Hit that, land on veer.com. Sign up and log in. The headline says it, the ultimate AI creative studio for image and video. And that's exactly what it is. One dashboard, text to image, image to video, multi-reference generation, all connected, all in one place. Version 2 rebuilt the entire experience, and they brought in the world's best AI models right here. Sora 2, Veo 3.1, Seedance, Minimax, Hailuo in one dashboard. That's the 2 upgrade in one sentence. Let's create something. Tool 1, text to image. Click text to image in the sidebar. Right panel, prompt box at the top. Then models, ratios, think, 3 settings that completely change what you get. Let me show you the models. Click models. Veer quality free. Great all-rounder. Flex Client lightweight. Very fast. Nano Banana Pro Gemini powered premium detail. Seedream V4 ByteDance's model. Incredibly sharp output. Minimax Image 01 clean, high detail generation. Same prompt on different models gives completely different results. I'll show you that right now. Artwork 1. Japanese warrior in rain. First image. I want something cinematic. Something that feels like a movie still. Select Seedream V4. Click ratios 16:9. Generate. And this think button, hover over it. Thinking mode off. Use your own prompts directly. When you turn think on, Veer's AI rewrites and enhances your prompt before generating. Perfect if you are still learning how to write detailed prompts. I'm leaving it off. My prompt is already precise. Hit generate. Look at this. The lightning, the rain catching the light, the reflection in the flood water. This is film quality output from a text prompt. Now same prompt. Let me switch to Minimax Image 01. Watch how the model changes the entire artistic interpretation. That's the power of having multiple models in one place. To save it, click the download button in the action bar below. Artwork 2 detective in neon night street. Second image, different mood entirely. Urban, atmospheric, noir, Flux Client this time. 4:5 portrait. Image quantity is 2. Generate the neon reflections in those puddles. The cigarette smoke, the trench coat in the rain. This is a movie poster. And it took 30 seconds. Download it, action bar underneath. Tool 2, image to video. Now this is where it really gets interesting. Click image to video in the sidebar. First, I need a source image. I generated this in text to image before recording. Here you can upload your image, or if you already generated from Veer, here so you can load from library. I am pulling this image directly from my recent generations. No re-uploading, already saved. This tool takes any image and animates it into a real video clip. But look at this frame slots. You have a first frame that's required and an end frame that's optional. Set only the first frame. Veer decides how the motion plays out. Set both frames. You're telling the AI exactly where the video starts and where it ends. That level of directorial control is genuinely rare. End frame, I'm leaving it empty. Veer decides the motion. Now look at the models here. This is the lineup. Veer quality free, Seedance V1 Pro Fast and V1 5 Pro ByteDance. Outstanding naturalistic motion, Veo 3.1. Fast, Google's premium model, optional audio generation. LTX Video 2.3, fast. Sora 2 OpenAI, right here. Minimax Hailuo 2.3, fast and stable. Now, I am entering my video prompt here and I am selecting first Sora 2, 16:9. In video option, I am selecting duration 8 seconds and resolution 720p. Now hit generate. Video takes a little longer, that's completely normal for this model quality. And when it comes back, the is actually moving. The spray is exploding in real time. The light is refracting through the water. We turned a still image into a cinematic sequence. Second example, completely different energy, action, chase, movement. And this time I'm using both frames, first and end frame. I'll load the first version of this image as the first frame and a second slightly different composition as the end frame. This tells Veer, start here and there. The AI figures out everything in between. See Dance V1 Pro Fast, 16:9, both frames loaded. Notice how different Seedance feels compared to Sora. More urgent, more handheld, more alive. That's the difference between models. And the fact that you can choose between Sora 2 and Seedance and Veo 3.1 all inside the same tool without paying for 5 different subscriptions. That's the Veer advantage. Tool 3. Multi-images to image. Okay, this is the one I teased at the start. Click multi-images to image in the sidebar. The concept, upload multiple images. Set one as your primary. And Veer uses all of them together to generate one new image. It reads each reference and understands how to apply it. But before we generate, look at this camera button. Click it. You get a full 3D camera angle controller. Rotation left to right. Tilt top down to low angle. Distance wide to close up. Wide angle lens toggle. You are setting the photographic perspective of your output before you even press generate. I haven't seen this in any other multi-reference tool anywhere. 2 use cases. Watch this. First, assembling a complete fashion look from individual clothing pieces. The primary image is a person. That's your base. The references are individual clothing items. Trench coat, trousers, shirt, scarf, cap, sneakers, bag, sunglasses. Set the person photo as primary. Everything else is a reference. See Dream V 4 edit 3 to 4 portrait. Generate. Every piece is on the person. The trench coat, the bag, the sneakers. This is a complete brand lookbook image. No photographer, no studio. Just references and a prompt. Download your best one. Second use case, interior design. Plain empty room as the primary. 2 furniture references. A wooden armchair and a ceramic floor vase. I want those specific pieces placed inside this specific room. Nano Banana Pro Edit. 16:9 widescreen. Now hit generate. The armchair is in the room, in the exact right spot. The vase is there. The architecture of the room is untouched. This used to need a 3D render artist or hours of Photoshop. Download the result. Free vs paid. Quick note on pricing. Free plan, 50 credits a month. Veer quality model is free, no watermarks, good enough to actually explore and experiment. For regular content work, premium at $9.99 is a solid starting point. Honest opinion. Real talk, what I genuinely liked, the model variety, Sora 2 and Veo 3.1 and Seedance all in one place. I actually used all 3 and the quality difference is real and visible. The multi-images camera angle controller. I searched for that feature in other tools. It doesn't exist like this anywhere else. The free tiers 50 credits goes fast when you're experimenting seriously. Who is this for? Content creators, brand designers, social media teams, filmmakers doing previews. Anyone who needs cinematic quality visuals without managing 5 different tools. Link is in the description, free to start. Try it. Generate something actually cool. Drop it in the comments, I want to see it. If this helped, hit like. Subscribe for more AI tool deep dives, and for Seedance 2 cinematic video, watch one screen. See you in the next one.